What's up, guys? This is our 2019 Mazda CX-5, and today I just wanted to do a quick video showing you our 3D Maxpider floor mats. Now, this is not sponsored. We paid for these ourselves, but I will put a link for if you're interested in these. And in this video, I just wanted to show you guys how these floor mats fit, what the coverage area is, how durable they are. We've had these for 8 or 9 months now. What they look like in the car, and these are dirty, so we're going to wash them, see how easy they are to wash as well. So let's go ahead and get these mats out of the car. And now I'm just rinsing off these floor mats with the garden hose. This was super easy. I didn't need to use a sponge or soap or anything. And then I just shook them to let most of the water come off, and then dried the rest off with a microfiber towel. So this is definitely a huge plus of these floor mats. It's definitely the easiest to clean of any floor mats I've ever had. Alright, now let's put these mats back in the car so we can see how easy that is and how well they fit. Alright, so the first thing let's look at, so we can see how well these mats kept the carpet clean. Like I said, we've had this for maybe 8 or 9 months, and we haven't vacuumed. So we can see the carpet's pretty clean, but the mats did still allow on the edge a little bit of the dirty sand and dirt to get in. Now let's just slide this in. And the other thing we'll notice is these are very light, and the back side of the surface is very grippy, so it really grips into the carpet well. And now we've got the floor mat in, so that was really easy. And we can see what I mean by that back side of the floor mat is really grippy. So if you can hear that when I pick this up, like this thing is definitely not gonna slide anywhere. Here we can see the fitment on the edge, and I think here we can still get a little bit dirt entering here, so it's not perfect, but it's pretty good. Now in terms of the coverage, the only thing I'll say is it does not go that far up here. When I'm sitting here in the car, you may want to rest your feet pretty far forward. It doesn't cover quite as far under the seats as I would like. Now let's look at the passenger front seat. As you can see, these still look really brand new after 8 months of use. So I'm not concerned at all about wear of these. I think these are going to be good for 5 years. I wouldn't be concerned. So our passenger side fits in really easily, and here's how it snaps in. Now the front right here, it only goes up to here, but it'd be nice if it was a little higher up here, but otherwise no complaints. Here's the coverage here, so you can see. And here's the driver's side. Now the driver's front, you will see here by the gas pedal, that area did get really dirty. So I'm going to vacuum that out later, but first I'll just put this in to show you guys. And here's what it looks like. And here's what I mean right here. But I think it's really hard because this gas pedal is mounted on the floor rather than from the top. So that's, I think, going to naturally happen with any floor mat. Now, one note about the Maxpider mat, we do have coverage here of the dead pedal. From what I read, the WeatherTech for the CX-5 just cuts off here, so this carpet is just exposed. I think I read that with either the WeatherTech or the Husky. It's a little dark to see now, but it's going up to here, so pretty far up here. See the fitment here? It's all pretty good. and it's pretty solid in there. Pretty tight fitting, not like big air gaps like here or anything. And final thing to mention, these are like, I wouldn't say they're slippery, but we don't have the WeatherTech, but I feel like the surface is a little slicker than the WeatherTech. But it's really good for like when you're washing it off. You saw how well the water runs. I don't think you'll slip, but I did notice like when it's wet, you can get a little, your foot slipping a little like that. But overall, it's not an issue, but something I'll mention I noticed. So finally, we'll just take a look at what they look like, all clean and nice now. So that's it for this video. Overall, we definitely recommend these Maxpider 3D floor mats for the CX-5, especially for the price. You can check it in the link below, but these are generally going to be cheaper than your WeatherTech or Husky floor mats. So check them out, and I'll see you in the next video.